Welcome to English Real Talks.
Professor, I'm so nervous. Tomorrow is my job interview.
A job interview? That's a big step. Why are you nervous?
Because I have no idea what to wear. I only own casual clothes.
Casual clothes? You mean jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers?
Exactly. That's all I have in my closet.
Ah, I see. Well, casual clothes are too relaxed for an interview.
Too relaxed.
Yes, for a job interview, you need formal clothes, something professional and neat.
Formal clothes. Like what?
Like a shirt, a blazer, and trousers. For women, maybe a blouse and a skirt or a simple dress.
Oh, formal clothes look serious.
Exactly. Casual is for comfort. Formal is for confidence.
I get it. Formal clothes show respect.
Right. We often say dress to impress.
Dress to impress. What does that mean?
It means wearing clothes that make people say, wow, you look amazing.
Oh, so not a t-shirt then.
Definitely not. Go for something sharp.
Sharp. Like a knife?
Not that kind of sharp. In fashion, sharp means stylish and smart.
Oh, stylish. Sharp equals stylish. Got it.
Excellent. And today we'll learn more than just clothing words.
Really?
Yes, you'll collect 3 idioms, one now, one later, and one at the end.
Like a treasure hunt.
Exactly. 3 stars of English. Let's earn the first one. You already did. Dress to impress.
1 star collected.
Nicely said. Now, shall we go shopping?
Let's go.
All right. Imagine we've entered a clothing store. What's the first thing you say when someone offers to help?
I'm just looking.
Perfect. I'm just looking means you want to look around without help yet.
Okay, I'm just looking.
But if you need help, you can say, I'm looking for.
I'm looking for a shirt.
Exactly. Today, you're looking for formal clothes.
I'm looking for formal clothes.
Excellent pronunciation. Look at this rack. What do you see?
A shirt, a blazer, and trousers.
Correct. Those are the main parts of a formal outfit.
What's this small thing?
That's a tie. It goes around your neck.
It looks uncomfortable.
It can be, but it also makes you look sharp.
Sharp again. Stylish and smart.
Exactly. You remembered.
I like this blazer, but how do I ask for my size?
Say, do you have this in another size?
Do you have this in another size?
Perfect. And if you don't like the color, ask, do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
Excellent. Maybe gray or navy blue for a job interview?
I think navy blue looks more professional.
Great choice. Now, let's go to the fitting room.
Okay, can I try this on?
Beautiful sentence. Can I try this on is perfect when you want to wear something before buying.
How do I look, Professor?
Wow, Jessica, it fits well.
Fits well. So the size is right.
Yes, it means not too big and not too small.
It feels comfortable.
In English, we sometimes say it fits like a glove.
Fits like a glove?
Yes, it means it fits perfectly, as if it was made for you.
That's a nice phrase. Fits like a glove.
And that's your second idiom.
2nd star earned.
Brilliant. Let's review quickly. I'm just looking. I'm looking for formal clothes. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Can I try this on? It fits like a glove. You're doing great. Now, how about you pick something from me?
For you, Professor? Okay, maybe a classic white shirt.
Good taste. Now, let's find something for you.
Sure. Oh, I see some women's formal wear. Here's a blouse, a skirt, and a dress.
Excellent vocabulary. Which one do you like?
I think I'd like to try the dress.
Then say it like this. I'd like to try this dress.
I'd like to try this dress.
Good. Go ahead. Try it on.
Okay. What do you think? Does it suit me?
It looks great on you.
Thank you. But it feels a bit tight.
A bit tight. Good phrase. You can say, maybe I should try a bigger size.
Maybe I should try a bigger size.
Perfect. How about the color?
It's a little too bright for me.
Then you can say, the color is too bright for me.
The color is too bright for me.
Nicely done. Maybe a darker shade would look more formal.
Dark blue again.
You know me well. Dark blue always wins for interviews.
Okay, I'll take the navy one.
Good choice. Let's review your phrases. Dress, blouse, skirt. I'd like to try this one. Does it suit me? It feels a bit tight. Maybe I should try a bigger size. The color is too bright for me.
That's easy when you say it slowly.
You're improving, Jessica. Now let's move to payment.
Right. I'll take this one.
Perfect. Now ask the price.
How much is it?
Nicely spoken. And to pay, you can ask, can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Simple and polite. Don't forget to say thank you afterward.
Thank you.
That's the spirit.
You know, I'm still scared about the interview.
You'll do fine. Just remember, you're prepared.
But what if I panic?
Then it's time for our third idiom. Pull yourself together.
Pull myself together. What does that mean?
It means calm down, focus, and be confident again.
So it's like saying, take a deep breath and relax.
Exactly. Pull yourself together, stand tall, and speak clearly.
I like that one. Pull myself together.
Great. That's your third and final star for today.
All 3 stars collected.
Excellent. Now let's review everything from the start.
Okay, let's go. Job interview, formal clothes, not casual. Formal clothes, shirt, blazer, trousers, skirt, blouse, dress. Shopping phrases, I'm just looking. I'm looking for formal clothes. Questions, do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Trying clothes, can I try this on? It fits like a glove. Compliments, does it suit me? It looks great on you. Feedback, it feels a bit tight. The color is too bright for me. Payment, how much is it? Can I pay by card? Thank you.
Excellent review, Jessica. And don't forget your idioms.
Dress to impress. Fits like a glove. Pull myself together.
Perfect. You use them all correctly.
So tomorrow, I'll dress to impress, wear something that fits like a glove, and if I get nervous?
You'll pull yourself together.
Exactly.
You're ready, Jessica. I can see your confidence growing already.
Thank you, Professor. This lesson was really fun.
That's what English Real Talks is about. Learning real English for real life.
I'll comment 5 sentences today using what I learned.
That's a perfect way to practice. And for everyone listening, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite idiom from today?
And don't forget to subscribe for more lessons like this one.
Next, we'll take you to another real-life setting, English at a restaurant.
I can't wait.
See you there.
Bye, everyone.